Hey, Plant Pals, Mike Canada Gardener, and this is a look at some of the deals that I've got for Black Friday. I got some of the early bird Black Friday deals, so I don't need to go stand on the line at the store because I've had them ordered and shipped within a day. Didn't cost me anything extra, which is really cool. So, starting off from Arrow Garden, I was trying to buy a Arrow Garden Harvest XL that was on sale for a good price, but they were instantly sold out, so I couldn't get that. But I figured while I'm on the website, I might as well get myself a customized seed pod kit. This has tomatoes and peppers in it. You can pick which ones you want. So I had the choice of 9. So that's what I got there. That's my custom Arrow Garden pod kit, and I'll show you the peppers as I get them later. Find some place to put this so I don't knock everything over. So I'm trying to show. This I got not from Arrow Garden directly, but I got this from Walmart. They had a deal, Black Friday sale, where you get the Arrow Garden Harvest. I wanted the XL because it's a bigger unit and has, trellis and whatnot. You can grow slightly larger things. But from Walmart, they had the Arrow Garden Harvest plus the seed starting tray, which is awesome if you're an outdoor gardener and you want to start your plants. This is an awesome way to do it because you can start a ton of strong, healthy plants and then take them outside, hard them off. Works really well. Anyway, so I got this. The tray alone is usually about $30. This thing sells anywhere between $120 and $150. I got them both for $88 from Walmart for Black Friday. So I was quite pleased with that. And then from Amazon, they had as I've showed before, I bought the Zimhu unit and was quite pleased with it. That's what's growing my orange spice jalapenos. The one plant has 18 peppers on it. The other one has like 6. You can't beat that. And so the unit really performed for me. And I haven't had any problems with the light drift. And when I say light drift, you set the light to come on at, say, noon every day and then turn off at 12 hours later. So turn off at midnight, come on at noon, turn off at midnight. Some of the bargain units that I've bought in the past have what I call light drift, where it starts coming on at 11:45, then 11:30, and then 11, and then 10:45, then 10:30, and it just keeps drifting further and further back, so that instead of coming on at noon and going off at midnight, it's coming on at 9 a.m. and going off at 9 p.m., which is not what you set it for. So I got this from Amazon. Normally, it's the price varies. I always get them when I see a coupon code for it. So if it says it's $60, which is still a good price, if it says it's $60 and you get a 40% off coupon code to click, right off of Amazon, and you're only paying $36 or whatever. But for Black Friday, they have a sale for Prime members. You can get this for $29, which is an awesome price. I've already the one that's got 18 peppers in it. I might as well say 20. My store charges minimally $2 per pepper. That's $40. The unit's already paid for itself, and I'm going to have years and years of peppers to harvest in the future. So I got that from Amazon, and then the other thing I got from Amazon that was on sale was the generic version from a place called Easy Grow liquid plant food, and that's their version of the Arrow Garden plant food. So I'm going to give that a try and see how that works. I think it was like $16 or something for this, which is a good price considering the name brand. You get this much. You get like 6 ounces for $9 or whatever, which still lasts a long time. But this will last me at least a year probably, with all the systems that I grow that are that type of system. And I use my own, of course, plant food for my other systems, like my cracky jars and stuff. I just make my own. So yeah, so that's a quickie look at my personal Black Friday hydroponic indoor gardening deals that I purchased. I picked up. Hopefully you all got some of your own, and you will be showing videos and showing me how to do it properly, because that's what I'm always that's what I'm in for. I want everybody, the reason why I want everybody to grow in their aero gardens and hydroponically is because I need the help, people. Show me how to do it right, not be so chaotic. All right. Hope everybody had a great holiday, and they got all kinds of great deals, and they were safe. All right. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Have an awesome day.